Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just click on settings. You click here on settings here. You come to settings, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on sound recognition, or sorry, you click here on audio and visual here. Click here on headphone accommodation here. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color is gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.